Good morning, guys. It is a cloudy Saturday morning here in Angeles City. The beaches are fine. The water is beautiful. That's a joke, right?
Hey,
Hey, how are you? We're going to do a little walk this morning. We're going to walk from the Old Margarita Station here. All right. They're in the process of moving up the road. We're going to walk from the Old Margarita Station up to the new Margarita Station. See how long it takes. See what you're going to see along the way. I'm going to ask the truck driver actually how much he would charge to take me from the morning set. I got a question for you. You know where the new Margarita Station is?
Yeah.
Macano?
100.
100 pesos. Okay, I'm walking today, but that's a good price. 100. Yeah, I'm walking. I'm not riding. Not riding.
Okay.
I'm going to walk. That's what I would pay. I would pay 100 pesos. If somebody wants to charge you more than 100, forget it. So it's 100. That's a, I guess you could say that's an honorable price. It's going to cost you 100 pesos, $2. Guys, at night, if you're going to go up there to the new Margarita Station, definitely take a trike. Even when you leave up there, take a trike. Somebody like me, I walk, so it doesn't bother me. Good morning. It doesn't bother me at all. If you're an older fella and you've got 5630 is the rate. If you're an older fella and you got knee problems and ankle problems, and take a trike. Stay on the left side of the road. That's where most of your sidewalk is. You are going to walk on the street occasionally, it just happens. Always check both ways, remember? When you were a kid, you were told check both ways when you cross the street. Check both ways. Hey, here's this guy. See if it changes. Oh man, you know where the new Margarita Station is?
Margarita.
You know the new Margarita.
New Margarita.
Yeah. You know where? Yeah. I know where it's at. Up by Puzzles. Up by Petron.
Petron.
Yeah.
Petron, yeah.
Okay. Macano for a ride from here up to there. 100. Okay, I'm just checking. It's a good price.
Yeah.
All right. Thank you guys. So there it is. They're all sticking on 100. So get that 100 peso ride. Plus 200 round trip. You can always take a jeepney too. Jeepney will take you up there for, I think it's 12 pesos to get up there. And you can grab a jeepney on the way back also. All right. I've walked this a million times. Today will be 1,000,001, right? You see they do have sidewalks, but they are always filled up. Filled up with trikes, filled up with cars. Right over there is all that parking. The people park right here on the road. There's Angel's Bakery on the left. They got a good, I like their bakery in there. Matter of fact, I'll be coming back there to grab a bagel and some bacon. Tomorrow is Sunday. Good meal in there also. It's been a while since I ate it. Quite a long time since quite a long time since I made breakfast in there. I don't know. Creature of habit, you could say. Always eating at Tequila Reef. Shoot, I remember when we lived up behind the Petron gas station. Morning. That was probably 6 years ago or so. A Cashville apartment. Used to walk down here, me and Lit, every morning. Walk this road every morning, back and forth. Get our exercise in. ABC. I only stepped foot in the lobby. Never stepped foot in any of the rooms. I had subscribers. Excuse me. I had subscribers stay there and invite me up, but never did. Never went to the rooftop, the swimming pool. Never went up there. They don't impress me. Here is your brass knob. All day breakfast for $2.95. I'm not going to stop. If I stop, it'll take my time away from me. It's a walk and talk. See how long it takes me to get up there. There's a coffee shop, pizza place here on the left, or an Italian restaurant, a Bacchio. I guess that's how you say it. Italian restaurant. Ate in there one time. Was okay. It was not mind-blowing. I didn't want to rush back there for another meal. That's just me. That's me and my taste buds. All them watch out for the hole. Morning. Very nice. Now imagine walking down through here at night and you don't see that. That will mess your trip up and your day up. There's no safety cones. There's no caution tape. There's none of that. And you can always stop here. Manny's closed right now, but you could always stop here and get a haircut along the way, so you look nice and fresh. You got B-way travel here on the left. Give yourself a haircut so you're nice and fresh when you go up to the Margarita Station. Or grab yourself a massage here on the left. This lot has been like this ever since I can remember. Fence line. Hey, fence line here. Don't know if it's an open lot. What's behind it? Private property, no trespass. A lot for sale, direct seller. And if you get thirsty on your walk, you can always stop here at Emotions, because Emotions has a touch of class. Hiring dancers. Emotions. Still don't know what's going on here. Don't see anything. I think I was in there. Hotel Amaro. Hotel America. When I was in there, I was told it was bought out, right? We'll see. We'll see. When it opens, it opens. Another casualty of war. It is a nice walk. Immigration services here. This is your CPI call shop. Good morning. CPI call shop. Hotel with an ATM right there. That is Hotel Eurasia. So if you need money, you forgot to grab money, there it is. Hit the ATM machine. These places here come and go. Japanese restaurant, Shabu Shabu back in there. JB Sports Bar, I think, is still open. They're not open in the morning time. I don't come up this way much at night. If I do come up this way, I'm going to the Italian place. This place has been here as long as I can remember. This flower place and plant place and there's your mall. It's finally completed after I don't know how many years. 8 years. The longest construction I've ever seen. Of course, he had to shut down during the pandemic, but still. Now it feels muggy. It's getting muggy. Louis Grand on the left. Still closed. Last time I was in there, I was told it was bought out. But they're renovating it. Gonna reopen. Now that was a while ago. Louis Grand. Morning. When are they gonna open?
No, no.
Not yet? Alright. Says not yet. Shame that was one of the nicer places here. Up here on the left is the church. Iglesia in Cristo, I guess that's how you say it. Iglesia ni Cristo. Those are everywhere here in the Philippines. You can be out in the middle of the nowhere in a province and you'll see these churches. I don't know anything about that religion, but all I know is the churches all look the same no matter where you go. Like I said, up here, up north, down south, Mindanao, you name it, the churches all look the same. Like I said, I don't know anything about the religion. Not a thing. But a lot of Filipinos do attend them churches. Now, I could be wrong. Somebody will tell me. But I was told they were a major financer in the building of Filipina Arena. In other words, they were a big financial investor in Filipina Arena. Filipina Arena is the largest arena in the world. Earthquake proof. I watched a documentary on it, on how they built it and how they made it earthquake proof. Alright, here we are, venturing on. We got one more block to go. One more block to go and we are there. I don't know how long it's been. How long is my walk? Let me look. Oh, that ain't bad. That ain't bad. I'll let you know when I get up there. That ain't bad at all. Now I gotta walk back, right? Or take a trike. You can see the sidewalk. But highly recommend nighttime. Don't walk it. Take a trike. You never know. Could you walk it 100 times? Sure. There could always be that one time where you run into trouble. know if this is lit up at night through here or not. Might be dark. We can see our objective. We're coming up on our objective. Almost there. I can see it. And here we are, ladies and gentlemen. Right here on your left hand is the Old Margarita Station. I got their sign up. Right here, guys. Oh, right here, Margarita Station. There it is. Signs up. There it is. What am I at here? To walk it. 16. About 16 minutes and 15 seconds it took me. Now I'm walking. I'm not strolling. I'm walking at a nice pace. But here it is. New Margarita Station right here. Wonder if that's the old sign. Margarita Station. Now hiring waitresses, kitchen staff, cashiers, utility boy, guard. There it is. You have all this parking out here, except for here. Looks like they're doing something. So you do have parking up through here. Alright. Parking across the street. Now there are a couple bars down right there. I didn't know the guy was in the hole there. Must be cleaning it out. So there it is. That's how long it takes to walk here from the Old Margarita Station. It can be done. 100 pesos strike fare. That's not bad. Don't pay more. I would not pay more. Not at all. But it is a nice little walk. Where are we at? There's a sign back there. Whoop, Margarita Station. So there it is, guys. There's my morning walk. I'll probably take a trike back. All right, we'll talk to you later.